Hey gadget lovers! Today, we're checking out 5 amazing gadgets that can upgrade your home in 2025. Let's dive in. 1 mini portable projector. This compact projector brings the big screen experience anywhere you go. With full HD support and multiple ports, it's perfect for travel and cozy family movie nights. 2 Amazon Basics Smart LED light strip. Greater than add a pop of color to your space with this RGB plus tunable white smart LED strip. Fully Alexa compatible, it lets you set the perfect mood lighting in seconds. 3 Bedshore electric heated blanket. Stay warm all winter with this electric heated blanket. It features multiple heat settings and keeps you comfortable all night long. 4 Portable blender, USB-C rechargeable. Make smoothies, shakes, or juices on the go with this rechargeable blender. Powered by USB-C, it's fast, portable, and perfect for fitness and travel. 5 Smart video doorbell camera. Keep your home secure with this smart doorbell. It offers HD video, 2-way audio, and AI motion detection. All viewable from your smartphone, anywhere. Love these gadgets? Check out the links in the description to grab yours today. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tech finds.